What if your family could align on what matters, organize the week in minutes, and celebrate growth together? In this quick tour, I'll show you the family alignment system and how each member of your household can use it today to get in sync and support each other towards individual and family growth. Let's dive right in. Think of this page as your family home base. This system is designed to help you keep track of the everyday, like chores and meals, as well as high-level aspirations like family dreams and goals. Your quick action page lets you do all of those things in a one-stop shop, easy to access place. Then below that, we have our day at a glance. There, we'll see the family tasks, chores if they've been assigned, and then we can also get a quick view of our progress towards family goals. Now, this helps a family stay aligned, but each family member also has their personal hub where they can keep track of their own projects, habits, and goals. Everything integrates together into one solid system. On the right, we also have fun views like stars earned this week, family wins, and chores. This helps keep the family motivated and making progress together. And then over on our left is our control panel, grouped into 3 categories where you can get things done, plan, and learn as a family. Let's jump into take action and see how this works. Here we have our family tasks organized by priority. You can also look at tasks by family member or get a quick view of the week. Below that are family projects. Everything the family's working on shows up here. We can go into a project, look at the tasks associated with that project, and if we get some done, we can check them off. Then we can see our progress increase here. All right, let's actually get something done. We can see assign chores here under tasks. So we'll go over to new chore, set a due date, assign it to a family member, and add some points for fun. That's it, we're done. We can check it off the list. Now remember that it's going to come into play later. The beauty of this system is it's not just about getting tasks done and staying organized as a family. It helps the family align on what really matters to them. On our set and track goals page, we can keep track of the family goals, like value goals or family dreams, high-level aspirations the family's working towards. These are all displayed here, grouped by status, and the family can come back here to keep moving forward in the same direction. And then below are outcome goals, specific steps or goals the family's working towards together. We can see progress, the category, status as well. And then goals set on personal pages can also populate here so that family members can help each other make progress in their own goals. We can do all other sorts of planning too. We can have a calendar view where we look at the week or month in a glance. And then we can also plan meals for the week in a way that's easy to view and just makes sense. We can get things done, we can plan, and then we can also learn as a family. Over on the Knowledge Hub page, we have topics that we may want to explore as a family. And if we go in there, we can assign them to a specific family member or the whole family. Same thing with the family library. We can go in and look at articles, podcasts, books, and assign them to specific family members or just see what people are reading. Remember, everything done at the family level is also integrated with the personal hubs. So let's see what that looks like. If we go to a personal hub, we can see that each person can track their own habits, set their own personal guiding principles, keep track of their own projects, and more. Now remember the chore we assigned earlier? That populates here on the personal page. The family member can mark it as done, and then stars will automatically populate corresponding to the chore they just completed. A fun way to keep them motivated and keep track of what they've done. Now, we can also go to our personal library or media vault and see the books that have been assigned to us, as well as the topics assigned in Knowledge Hub. Things done on the personal page also integrate back with the Family Hub. For example, if a family member wants to log a win, like completing the chores, they can log it here. And then on the Family Hub, it will show here as well, so that the family can celebrate individual wins. In addition to that, stars earned this week will populate, so to keep track of a fun family leaderboard, as well as chores done for the day will also populate here. Everything is integrated and aligned so that your family can keep moving in the right direction. So, if you're ready to get started, go up here to the Start Here page, start the Learn Family Alignment System project, where there'll be specific tasks you can do to learn the ins and outs of the system. This system is designed for the everyday family to help give you clarity, rhythm, momentum, and move forward together. Ready to start? Open the system and start aligning your family. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to start using this system today.